ගොඩ ඉඳන් පීනන්න බෑනේ. පීනන්න පුරුදු වෙන්නත් බෑ. පීනන්න ඕන නම් වතුරට පනින්නම ඕන. මුලදී ජබුක ගහ තමයි පීනීම ඉගෙන ගන්න. පස්සේ එක එක ආරවල් පුහුණු වෙන්න පුළුවන්. අපේ කට්ටිය ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගන්නවා දැක්කාම මට හිතෙන්නේ ඒ කට්ටිය ගොඩ ඉඳන් පීනනවා වගේ කියලා. Subject, predicate, verb, past tense, participle, to infinities මොකටද ඔය ආරවල්? ඉස්සල්ලා ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාවේ ජබු ගහන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ කතා කරන්න. කතා කරන්න. සබකෝලේ පැත්තක තියලා. වරද්ද පටල කතා කරන්න. ඉබේටම ආරවල් පුරුදු වෙයි. පුරුද මං කියන්නේ. එහෙනම් මෙතුමියකින් අහන්නකෝ. අධ්‍යාපනය ලැබුවේ මඩකලපුවේ. උසස් අධ්‍යාපනය ලබන්නේ නැගෙනහිර විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ. කෘෂිකර්ම පීඨේ. අනෙක මහපොළ ශිෂ්‍යත්ව ලාභිනියක්. සංවර්ධන ලොතරැයිපත් ගන්න ඔහෙලා කැමති ඇතිනේ මහපොළෙන් වෙන්නේ මොනවාද කියලා දැනගන්න. මොකද ඒ ටිකට් පතෙන්නේ මහපොළ පෝෂණය ලබන්නේ. එහෙනම් අපි ඇයගේ සටහනට සමන්.
From grade 1 to grade 12 until the advanced level, I studied at St. Cecilia's. Then almost all the facilities are there. So then I came here and made friends with all the things. Sri Lanka is an agriculture country, so nowadays they are trying to make it sufficient and fulfill for their production. So I think it's a pleasure to study the agriculture sector. In our faculty, they have assigned academic program, farm practice course during the third year second semester, and we are in the farm practice, and they told us how to rear crops, different crops. In our farm, agronomy farm, all the crops are established and some are bearing or something. They are training to do how to grow up all the type of crops, including paddy, onion, cluster bean, all the things. And they have taken us to Anuradhapura FMTC Farm Machinery Training Center to do how to drive the tractor. How to do the two-wheel tractor, four-wheel tractor, ploughing, combine harvester, all the things they learn to us. Then in other side we are rearing the livestock. Then cattle, cow, sheep, poultry, and now they have divided us into 4 groups and they have given 120 chicks. And now we are in the progress. I think it is in the 25th day, and on the 40th day we are going to harvesting. From all the things up to the chicks and up to the 40th day we are rearing. So we can able to get some of the knowledge to apply in our area. So if I be a position at the farm, we will be able to do something. And now we are about to the 4th year, final year. So now we are in the applying stage. So it will be much practical, not like theory, much practical. So it's very able to do in the working and the research program. My mommy is from the remote area. So her birth wish is to do some English and all the things. So she made me to put in all the classes, tuition classes. When I was doing, I was very bored. Why she's doing all like this? But now it is very helpful to me. And also one of my sister, it was a Catholic school, and one sister is there, Sister Marie Florence. Now she is in the Trincomalee, I think. Then I loved her because I don't know, but I loved her. And half an hour per day, I talked to her. Till that I don't know how to speak, but I can write, but I can't talk. Then when I talk with her half an hour per day, then he trained. Simply he told how to join the words, how to speak and all the things he explained. And for the English dramas, she made me trained and all the things. Not in the grammatical way, she talk. Whatever you like, you talk. Whether it is right or wrong, you talk. Then simply little by little, it's getting multiplied and now it's come to at the states.
ජීවිතේම එළිය කරන සංවර්ධන ලොතරැයිය 1981 වසරේ සිට උසස් අධ්‍යාපනය හදාරන ශිෂ්‍ය ශිෂ්‍යාවන් වෙනුවෙන් මහපොළ ශිෂ්‍යත්ව 2,00,000කට අධික සංඛ්‍යාවක් පිරිනමා ඇත. ඒ සඳහා මූල්‍ය ශක්තිය ලබා දුන්නේ ඔබයි. සංවර්ධන ලොතරැයිපත් මිලදීගත් සෑම වාරයකදීම